8369. What should be done to prevent rapid deterioration when oil or grease come in contact with a tire? A. Wipe the tire thoroughly with a dry cloth, and then rinse with clean water. B. Wipe the tire with a dry cloth followed by a wash down and rinse with soap and water. C. Wipe the tire with a cloth dampened with aromatic naphtha, and then wipe dry with a clean cloth. The correct answer is B. Wiping the tire with a dry cloth followed by a wash down and rinse with soap and water will help remove any oil or grease residue on the tire and prevent further damage. It is important to regularly clean and maintain tires to ensure longevity and safe driving. 8370. Galvanic corrosion is likely to be most rapid and severe when A. The surface area of the cathodic metal is smaller than surface area of the anodic metal. B. The surface areas of the anodic and cathodic metals are approximately the same. C. The surface area of the anodic metal is smaller than the surface area of the cathodic metal. The correct answer is C. Galvanic corrosion is likely to be most rapid and severe when the surface area of the anodic metal is smaller than the surface area of the cathodic metal. In this situation, the anodic metal will corrode more quickly as it is exposed to a greater current density than the cathodic metal. It is important to prevent galvanic corrosion by avoiding dissimilar metal combinations, using coatings and insulating materials, and providing electrical isolation between metals. 8371. Corrosion caused by galvanic action is the result of A. Excessive anodization. B. Contact between two unlike metals. C. Excessive etching. The correct answer is B. Galvanic corrosion occurs when two different metals are in contact with each other in the presence of an electrolyte, like salt water, which creates an electrical current that leads to the corrosion of the less noble metal. 8372. Which of these materials is the most anodic? A. Cadmium. B. 7075 T6 aluminum alloy. C. Magnesium. The correct answer is C. Cadmium and 7075 T6 aluminum alloy are both more cathodic than magnesium and are more resistant to corrosion. 8373. The interior surface of sealed structural steel tubing would be best protected against corrosion by which of the following? A. Charging the tubing with dry nitrogen prior to sealing. B. Evacuating moisture from the tubing before sealing. C. A coating of linseed oil. The correct answer is C. By drilling tiny holes into the ends of each piece of the structural steel tube and pouring linseed oil through the holes, the inside of the structural steel tubing of an aeroplane is shielded from rust and corrosion. The extra oil is drained out when the inside has been completely coated, and the opening is then sealed with a drive screw or by welding it shut.